Right, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can change fonts in Discord. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very easy changing fonts in Discord. So here, as you can see, I have normal font right over here. But if I go to Google Chrome and type in textfig.com right over here, and it'll bring you to this website right over here. So what you need to do is to simply type in whatever change type of font you want. So let's say, please subscribe, and like this. Now right over here you'll be able to see a few different kinds of fonts. So if I copy this, and let's say if I just post right over here, as you can see, now this one, you can do pretty much different types of fonts, and you can just use any you'd like to use. So yeah, it's pretty cool like that. And yeah, you can just choose with your own fancy. So yeah, here we go. So this is it. I hope this tutorial helped you out. I'll see you soon.